I advert to TV so and site me a adverts. Man say brands baby abama go for a meblu transa. Omo no monsa, omo smoky, omo fenno, say the be omo ne ma beda. A brand here sebi Yarabian news so a doctor anka say erectile dysfunction and our sexual weakness. Now I show who no medru so person no bad that 1 hour. Sa brand no me kan ha so nyini nche.
Say obetimi anya hypertension.
Yes. Because send no na aphrodisiacs no I teach you and say etwe be me bia obetimi anya erection na was sustain erection na moja di afusane kugina opinal tissues nim moja ekugina obema nim spongy tissues na eti magina so enti what it does is a puli moja ni nyina akọ sabi obema ho so enti at that time no moja ekọ no say bia wo sa nipa ne bia wo fat e fa bi atherosclerosis e bia fat bia akọ odoben vessels na moja di afusane wo mu no enti at that time na etwe moja ni nyina akọ sabi obema ho no etimi ko cause damage your baby so tina ebi mutiminya stroke ene emabunu timinya stroke first na nke kan stroke a unyin because unyin no you feel be wear and tear on say vessels na moje di afusane no etimi go so etimi go and after say ma resistance of the vessels no and so cholesterol BP you can BP no wakoma no jumedi edi ni say pia moja timia fa all the parts of your body because moja the nutrients the oxygen akwese nipa bia wo ho na otua ohwene a ubu sanse da moja nso do any part of your body e de bu na eba o de yenka de experiment we pa fa on sa tetre on sa na me move no be 1 month ubu so on sa na be ketwa ubo because moja the nutrients be ko ho no enko nti say nipa wo ho na wondidi oso beti ubefon ubo so nipa dua na hya asesa enko ye fi say niema wo hia to survive no enam so we deprive no nti won sa active na nti na de be too go for say they have to be active omonya exercise because no boy ma moja ebiebie vessels ma moja edie sane
nti hypertension no kire say moja na ntimi nko ba bia
there be hypertension kire say drobe na moja edie sane no there's inbuilt pressure
just a contentam
ma scenario water hose here dey who say bu help say pressure no cost ra we don say see ano na who say a bad force e bia ho car and usually no the can hypertension na bibia kwa esi akwan bi wo droben vessels ni mu enti ama akoma no has to pump the blood with force because normally ne bia the friend say we vessels na tokra dem a moja betimi afom boko no se bibia ko esi akwan bi a akoma no de pump ne kakra bi na etimia rechi be bia ba enam say vessels no bibia ko esi akwan ama si akwan usually a fatty deposits if we be plaques a condition na make an atherosclerosis and most of these problems about fat to say sade adore vessels nim inti ma moja no intimi ndia fusane ye ejano sa no because akoma no so nejuma ne say so pumpy moja enrich all the parts of your body into no and the force because we akosi kwan say mass na make water hole scenario no say bibi kosi kwan na odon semia on say the force eneba because say nsu ni besenko into the same way for sa picture na fa ba oni peduanim
okay
say bibi anko ye osi akwan a akoma no enya dwuma den say obepia moja nako
doc say ebia meti hoi na hypertension ni ye friend moja morso me ebi wo me ho a di niema na hyase de di wo mabrabo ma e wo se atwima dwen koso se minyanya bia me ya be ho
onim de ma hypertension ni hu ne se inti na ka say silent killer in fact e monka ye e say ka say asymptomatic
ba
because it's out here my money will BP level
what
here we will be until say malaria obi anya nya hu be gu ano ho aye hye wadum aye nyono wanum ato untimi ndidi ebi oti ye oya eno ye symptoms are dead ntina man ngofo bi ni ti ye ne ya ne ho ye hye manya malaria mkoto adru eno kran so enye ye beka ho asem obi a otie show bi a wanum ye onu bi adwen say malaria bi ano uku ho ibe na malaria se wo nya test me engine tum se wo nya malaria na akofa se do na wo de ho ha ebro ho monka yo
enti eba wo hu
enti na ahweye ena na America no bisa am se doc wo look young ahweye wo nipa bia wo ho na we di 30 we di 40 na onko hospital ko take BP da wo amenko bisa obia
na BP e bi 160/110 eno no
eno e BP won se BP no
ye be eno pe ne ye de be check be hu
anase ye be ye go hospital ye free be sphygmo manometer the e no e dia the men trust abobo e machine ye de check BP no ukọ na ye de ase onsa na ya hwe the rate at which wakoma no ebo na no air pressure once akoma no e the force
and ebo pim
exactly into na cause blood pressure na force eye moja no exert against the walls of vessels blood vessels no now say BP aseme ye kin no say once you can read no systolic ni abra wakoma e kan bom opia moja no akọ ena da so say so eno so de na usually costro into akoma no say ebie na cartoon ti e cartoon e the force e shate na push moja no to all your body members na arrest into e ka na ebie into na akoma no so be pum pum unu so akoma ebo menu pum into e yero na se epia moja no ko
doc train me ba e ho ne hia me meti wei me person metie makoma no se de esi ba metimi ati
wakoma na anytime be about to wakoma body den na e free palpitation na say bibi yato na say enye papa se de nyankopon bo ni pedia no ideally no say akoma no bibia nko ye osi akwan akoma no bo ate say car eye fault bi ama ho unti sun no won say fault ba ho wo say esu no kosro sanso na akoma na kwakoye the moment akoma no bobo pumpuma wate ebu atimi gigi wo tim na te say baby akwa yusi akwenta akoma na ebre or the force
okay
ena epia my mouth ase mpese de to from kra na akwara akwa oti kra
mpese mi
eti ase enti normally to her you shouldn't have an awareness of your heart beating
okay
and you say hu ote se wakoma na ebo this say wo de aben ho akwa se car wo so bi car mo no mama wo wakoma na anya ho na wakoma wo mama ai yes o say David enti no na wo hia stethoscope
ayo
the doctor for the show man na wo de ato ho na wati so enti wakoma no eni se wote se ebo se wote se ebo a na se bibi etochima ebo etimi didi wo trim wo ani se wote se wakoma ebo wo trim into question abusa no eno into can say bibi daddy typically and show bibi and daddy say when your BP say the mekan no when start here only the BP say the BP here sometimes e be a costro pa bo say be a uti pa o be uti have a draw pa say ya the hammer e botim e bu abem say wonante wo ye bi kakra bi na akoma e bo pay e bu avasa ofro akotop here bo say wakoma
udu ya na ate so
to say uye bibi adwumaden kakra bi bo say wakoma peri e bonte na wakoma no bontem if it be easy fatigability
so wo ba ho so
enti wo ho first no utimi exercise utimi flow steps utimi eye bibia wonti bre but so uye bi kakra bi na say wa bre ase wakoma no to say o tie so eno so beti ba yenkaye
doc atoda utimi didia na chese wan so won ye dududu wo chia ho kra ye hwe enye yi eno so ye akoma ni bia wo se
eno ya do eno me ka de se undidi yo wo ye bi kakra bi a wo tese wakoma no pay bon tentem and sometimes no bo say ase ohumi enzusu papa
okay
breathlessness wo say ohumi a
enzusu so wo hia home
exactly eno tana say akoma no wo tese o bre
so be say yes I would sana as we be wanum bi sa na de gym from
in the first case no enya normal say how be one no to take in more oxygen
okay
into the moment I will be here aid the moment I will be here say so ye bibi e bia we use accessory muscles to breathe that say no bibi atochima
enti say me
na me go say ka ne ma na bi ebu also sometimes no e bia onase tata ebu out e bia outside bus no free akra go kumase do kumase be hwe na na asa tata umia so na asa atom eno so betimi adedi and usually no and if kidneys more chronic kidney diseases tenya hypertension if we say on say kidneys no my kidneys go can treat saying wasabo no eno boa ema regulate BP because a true hunsuo onum nsuo na etwe but the moment a kidneys no ho ka na ma say adwuma na say a true hunsuo no intimi nye
okay
akwese filter inte say atwe niam fin niam ewo ni peduanim no ojonso onum nsuo na ojonso ntina de bia ka say nsuo nso hu hia onum nsuo na ojonso no na yi toxins niam cause niam owe niam onom niam fin bi wo ma de betimi do ha ba oni peduan nto onum nsuo na ojonso na nso boa na so kidney no to chema ema intimi nya sa adwuma de ni ye na afia ma wo accumulate fluid we ewo ho so ho and the pressure because these are things that can be seen echo but the moment a kidney no touch ma na say wo accumulate a na ma akoma no there's a lot of strain on the heart inti ema sab regulation true hunsu no ama BP number form no na intimi this adwumade no
doc pressure no ye wona hodo meaning say obi wo low pressure obi wo high I don't know
yes say typically no once na me cheche mu say you reading your two you was so there and they was here there no so there na friend is systolic and I said there your friend diastolic systolic near when your heart is at work air pumping muja no and diastolic when your heart is at rest edge na home pump no relax a pump na pum pum nti so akoma na nye pum 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 sa ogina home nyankopon ni ndi am no ka ebo pum pum hanka akoma no ko bebre so ho nti a force into so there no when your heart is at rest no typically hwehwemu a kire say and at that time the bleeding no shouldn't exceed 130 it shouldn't exceed 130 and I said that so when your heart is at rest it shouldn't exceed 80 echo. It is out that 130/80 now. You can't then normal blood pressure 120/80. I saw then 120. I said no 80 millimeters of mercury.
And you try 20 ni the and just asema to.
Fancy you can say ebia elevate. Mama me fa won so say obi pe no fancy o tu make up basis na check obi pe because because why you adwuma o koba no o move no akoma no so e say car engine o so o tu car kakra bia engine be hit kakra. Into one anti combine na Dr. Bianso emfa 1 BP reading so or check BP 1 day be course no the general so I can say BP into obemondo no that would be counterproductive into no yeah check BP no over a period into na America say nipa bia no e so ko check so BP no et saying and I said to saying into my case the normal BP no 120/80 usually say say elevate kakra we say systolic no e so there no it hovers around there 120 to 129 on the train. Now, your be stage 1 hypertension. Stage 1 hypertension, no. Most say estrogen, no. It's me call be 130, could be 139. Maybe I said there no so both say oh you hit 90. And stage 1 hypertension. Stage 2, both I say oh you do 140 estrogen, no. Now I said there no 90 95 ho baby. Now for stage and then can say crisis over 180 so there no over 180 because I said then over 120 when your heart is at rest now still my pressure na a woman a wakoma no you can't or pressure no or diastolic ni over 120 at that time no at that point no ya manage bibia betimesi utimi twahwe ma stroke ba te say nyama pi betimi aba
doc hypertension no eba neko eba neko isan say obehun say ye mpanyinfo binu mo wa o se me de dan bosumi bi okoje hypertension edro okoja yare ani ni partner febo ana yetimi sa ana say wutimi show hu yie ana say eye mojam
mama unum say because me classify as a chronic condition you can say chronic not say a chronic not say no ye manage You can't say ya cure bibia na te say wenya onu medro no o sa ko test ye eko.
Okay.
Mfan say you can say malaria is treatable because with malaria one medro after o check here no malaria parasites.
Okay.
That is no and cure. When it comes to chronic conditions no onu medro ba ho say BP no eko. Because deep no kwan adeba yes emojam na
hereditary.
Yes, and hwema me hu say ana we busuamu nso it has a genetic predisposition. Because mfan say maame say o maame ana papa ewo because you are a product of your parents. O maame enti omo pass it down some genetic factors bi nso. Emma enti ebi wo busuamu o hwe me mo so maame ana so papa. Maame so mama na so papa enti sane ma no nyese o sene keku ene eye nema bia ewo o mama mu nema mi ewo papa mu and no passing it down to you enti it includes some of these defective genetic factors a bit mi no hawaba. Some of the chronic conditions no science na te bit say sugar, diabetes and also can be passed down like that. It is remember me say sometimes and I tie we busuam and the way I will busuam we ma no papa e wa hypertension no we say nipa so ya hwe more because the risk and say the chance of you getting probability of being hypertension abra obelidi a normal life unya hwe no the risk ni high.
Doc risk ni de hu say high ye di agura wan hwa ye nyina kra e benya bi esan say adwuma kra ye ebi wo awoda homatia na phone a ringe me kan no wadaw nti no wo bo brima wo ye mahyew ni nyina timi ma anya bi enie me bi wo ho ase wo ya entimi ma wo nya bi yesi omo dwindwin bebre ne tanya hypertension.
O say there are a couple of risk factors and my betimi predispose you and a betimi amana yemre so benya.
Okay.
Number 1, near can age. Ni pe bia wunyi no. First no. Bia udi 50, 60 because say be wedding tina che. Why near ma che, we did ya che to say why near ma worry bia ansa ntino and common. And due to wear and tear nti no sa no be na omo blood pressure no increases steadily. And yen hwehwemu ayehu and sometimes bia and am say bia lifestyle bia on say first rubu ye papa no bo so bia wanya pot belly kakra so ma renam
capita fru
o za
kakra wo ho
nti pot belly no ija na srade fat build up it is na me cheche mu no ma near difficult for blood no akoma no to pump blood no through without resistance because and I'm said near ma decrease the lumen yet the space na moja betimi afam droben vessels nim into ma pressure no ekosro what you say into age no one factor.
Okay.
Na unu say size omo say ne ebi mutimi nu maduro say me pese me yakese bese me yakese and all that say wo so say wo ma yedu unless ebia o de ne hereditary ebia bobusuam ebia momudu kakra but men Canada erroneous impression ko be won say osuma na o fat
na nye no kre
fe there be unu say that times obu ani mudu na meka say sometimes ebusuam ho ha omudu
okay
ebia no muscle mass
okay
enya fatty mass but what you say enti obu a me dem slim enti me dem ni cholesterol enti no na ma ko hen ba nyina obere sade ko hen ba nyina obere because also slim sometimes we be check na omo cholesterol build up
esin nipa no oye obolo
ni mu obolo ni bi ha na fat sade obu so ha na tese omo thick they are thick so na me change enti wa ebia lifestyle na bo say o lifestyle did late una time ma no exercise just obu ha osora no pa watin kosia wa cheese near that day odu watena care mo condition mu oba office bia so kofa fa bi kwa wa friend secretary kofa we mama say no activity we ya watena air condition kan mu akotena on the boys o marry some twa bie o marry ni nam
domedo
okodufe be 12 okọ na ye ayeduane si obi wendi a de asembeba obedi no so eguso international ne day no wodi nema pi but little or no activity if I can't any form of exercise
omo ni Japan omo tanya pressure
when it is a thing
also obi o ada na
or hyper or you active
yeah
no if so you're active na a form of exercise it be asa it be aerobics ebua until a bit we active and time mawunya into one of the things where I catch and for say unya if you can try and increase your activity like make a conscious effort say oh you exercise cardio ebeboa ma umudi edi afusani ye na so whatever fat grandpa build up no o exercise na o teso ensa alcohol and tobacco use ela ma mabu no bebe say omunya BP no
okay
because manti a mokroma onno monsa is the grandpa nya manti no nko ma no nso twabi ma no no monsa ye budidi omo no mpa say moko eno na nam conference on mo say the mama na be mo so betimi aye yes na na dey Beijing muko Beijing ti say mo ne mama no ko talent ti be ma no twa na so we twa mama no smoky na so smoky and ti say no young ladies nso enya BP no
oh okay
and maybe no omo lifestyle consuming large amount of alcohol no what it does is say e be metima ma BP na kosro the same thing with smoking
okay
and sometimes we ebia existing health conditions be hypertension usually classified into two. You were primary or secondary. Primary say and no ankasa na secondary say bibi sha say there's always an underlying cause bibi sha say conditions be or cardiovascular disease be mabusu emu akoma yare ana bibi na diabetes. Also na make kidney asem chronic kidney diseases and now more cholesterol e wosro pa no omutiminya hypertension. These are some of the risk factors. But another contributing factor and so they say any form of exercise obu on exercise da na funi na obobelta this or the pressure here because na fu the pot belly na nkasa ko obobelta this slanting say essence here and omo pe enchine
ni edidi na enchine ni mu dia say duane ne ya num tabraba de say nyew
enchine kakra in fact they usually case salt is all consumed in a day no shouldn't be more than 5 grams e be a teaspoonful. So in a whole day and obu aye do na wi cramp no say o table salt no hwe
say we dey wo kan anu na nya
wo dey dangerous
enu kra na ha adwen wo ho
say table salt aye do na wi because salt we dey go do na goes to a certain level of processing be but say table salt na wo fa no enye
doc adenti na say obi enya hypertension a wo hwe nsem a okeka nyina e wo se e ma na aduro na adebe bia ono
and I make us say hypertension no and fadako and eba obi a ne BP no akosoro na say build up enye dako na sha
na enti onu maduro no dia e betimi ateso
what it does is it maintains it whatever pressure command no what some of that we have various classes of the drugs but e do the yenkumu ha now what it does na say ebua e calm akoma no e ma akoma no because akoma no heat because e so the force and a pump blood na ko your various body members.
Say me who assuming say mako hospital. You testing me, you checking me a pressure. Ma chance ye menye bi. G edro na ana bibi fofo ha betimi aye betimi ama na kofo. Enye
hypertension obi bia cause bia na mo odro. Once na make stages okay na me chest Abraham fancy bia one over corner bia consistently bia systolic na stroke no bia 130 na bia said be 80 doctor me fa preoccupy more do no ben say between the lifestyle into like I say lifestyle no critical and most people no they concentrate on just the drugs obu obi onya hypertension doctor man do on them say do the medical so no but because I near ma aka no ono monsa o smoky or no or abuse drugs
send me will be a ennuane ben na wo semidi
o diet no usually no ana ye ka say niema sade enhyemu ma
ntimi no milk nkosua nom na wo semijai
ade bia cholesterol shemu ma ese otwe ho firi ho
semijai akokọ na mwe
akokọ no pa take out the skin and honam no wa yifiri ho
ene ayi ensam no Dr. Philmon bi odeme nam no mama dwuma ye me kosi say hypertension yare edie me kra ma no dendenden kra bi kra na me check ya me
ma so ko check
na kire say was so biako ayaresabia
obi a woti o show
how many times bosomi and I was ultimi koko check eye sure say
we dey bosomi asemo
na what you
say dem ka say woti hey woni be obi pin na
until I wasn't a debia
weekly and na me adon even pharmacists cry check it. You can walk in and check because so who in tema and it's me so anon
it's a beyan kana what you be
every week I just pass by any clinic any nearby clinic mo checking BP mama especially local check here what's wrong what's any pan component so irregular
Doctor wo be na nke wo se ukitade mpacho confess ka ni ye mbra ne check
say me ye fi me check ko check ka ni
ne ye nhwe sense wo se me hwe
ba mama eno nya ha na check so ba you see BP no say check abra wo ye adwuma wo kasa wo tutun say
ye check ye
be cost kakra
hey
but I don't know when you are at rest into background your mouth nase be a 5 minutes 10 minutes oji wa home na to say I don't know akoma na set to say car hiti o spark car na hiti o dum no na ajo na afia check say akoma na te sen
okay say you be check say akoma na te sen a ebi na wo a wutie meaning say amanfo won say misa bebre Anthony Apia ogusua hweyen wo Duisburg Rebecca Mbia o say morning na jo nice show you looking good thank you in your outfit Rebecca Medase Kennedy yours no say hweyen from Las Palmas Spain you're doing a great job keep it up thank you Ajay Maxwell say hweyen for Achim MPN Achim Apinaman good morning yenso ye jo so happy birthday and come on na neje ma wish you happy birthday Joe Men's also sharing all the way from USA but sabre maybe ahoma because I believe say enipa bebre yare we yade a etete won e di hu abre won doc yare we eku show ananse wo bi a eno ko ne wa
ni nyagina what situation no ekum say na say the major cause of death in adults e wo krom ha enti Ghana ha de empanyimfo na ewu no dodo no hypertension yi ube na we nya ni BP yesi BP kwosoro say filling station a minim but BP preko no no wasem ne yekan blood pressure no e body peri pam na ejai but next week doctor beba be kan heart attack sa de ne yesi cardiovascular de cardiac arrest
cardiac arrest the din kakra jare ne amutu ni din kese dodo enti and next week me wu ekwan a efoso a obi akoma prekope na ejaibo na edi owu aba ene obi pressure kosoro saa nam so no anya stroke doc no say pressure yetimi fra enipani
ai se make say e wo moja ne mu
eti di fra ba
bia moja fa bia wetimanya stroke no adwini mu moja ntime ndu adwini mu a na a die off endu wani a won se wani no ntini webu a moja famu e supply so that na make no moja ne de aduane nutrients and oxygen enti endu wani ho na e bia bibi kosi kwan ko yosi akwana moja ntime ndu ha wani betime fra na de ba ko ehunu se mema no
ese amade ani wu
ai
yesi mema bebre wo Ghana ha kora amade ani pra nya aduma present
mama we dey me research aye ba o pressure dia
enya adwuma
ha kan sa o pressure dia e betimi akoba se wa ho ode no
kodo ene wo pressure maybe nya wukunu
we dey say na se ese nkofo hwe maduane die ni ye ka say whole grain omundi aduane high in fiber
sa high in fiber no mo kan brofo
de na me cheche mu wheat ye kan ne ma ntete wo ho ntete so wheat me say me pe wheat pa Tom Brown oats
Tom Brown dey when sogum dey ni bia na so bro ya yati
the main can say bro ya ade bia ntete wo ho eboa
okay
eboa wheat obetimi afa even ya egbegbomi
ekwegbemi
ya kan say ekwegbemi oblayo eye but men fab milk nko gum because you can cholesterol nti they say kwamba nyame adom you will milk from vegetable sources soya bean nti no nyede bia na nkofo nko no milk from animal fat opede creamy and the beans and salmon Salmon is very good because it contains omega-3 rich fatty acids.
Na tilapia ye na nse ya pet tilapia ya tutupa o enu nso e. Yeah,
tilapia has a bit of it.
Salmon yes.
Salmon, maybe I would recommend salmon.
Na amani nso e.
Amani you good. So say ade bia and I usually advise and man said at that time no mundi lots of dry fishes adwene amanemo men ko dina fana ko di kotodwe ko rewe sadia shemu ma
kotodwe no so fi ho ya na ye
sadia nko na afiko mu no
sadia nko mami mi ahoma no 0302216545 0302216546 na wo befre mesraw ensem na ye kan ye ni brisem ye kan wanu say ya but ye ni brisem pa sa yare we wo bi a wanhwe ni yi a na akoye nsem bebre ebedma watwa nanano wonse do wabra wo mbre nso enkanka sa wo ye bema wusuo bo na hypertension pressure bi beda so wanhwe ni yi a wade bi bamba so wuhwenhwe na ebi mu afabro nya ho trispedede fa umfichire enti hwe na yare we ebi ama meto 0302 21654503022165446 mehu se Kofi Kapito na ni brabre no me ehye so ono kra no bebisa question Kofi Kapito wo question ma me nyene question wo question na meje oh me ka se Kofi na furu no nti na abai
doctor wo na me say na ye pedua so so
wow baby Kofi man ka jero se Kofi Kapito oba o de beba e man so ye ka mema de e man fo so mo de omoto wo so oba wanye yie na akonya bia watenka betimi ate akọ
bip no enye emema yare
nye mema yare
nipa yare
nipa e ka oba e ka bema enti obia at risk
ema bebre nso wo bip
okay 0302 hello Matthew Auntie Adjoa Mpocho bo fraud then
Auntie Adjoa ishira
yes please
ya me shiro ugbo eduma kasa
medase
o from the not tell mo so allowed
nana yenko
ma asuma bo kende ebesima asam do me bi me ko ejime bi mo baby ana say aya ambulance bi a wa check na ko check pressure me check na was me check na fa no me check da ma ko do baby no so da me ko doctor adam ko doctor on me wira ko pa
some na doctor care cho no ma wira ho
doctor bi say da aya me junjuna o am say ma me junjuna so ofi da ma da no so da dia odimbo tredu
Asempa FM
do no so bo so bia me konkoto nko ye wi sembe bi na me doctor eni okaso me wira ko da ma no especially performance won pado no oh ajegusi nti la so oba ni bisa me na mi se o pressure do na me no ko ho nti baba pu okaso no da me se mi so ta me se o me se nya hwe
me pacho isi ala kompema ahoden ni wa akofom
mami oh
telemo na ahoden oh Jesus telemo ahoden ni kofom wa ejo nsam no oyedin hello good morning me pacho your friend send you nti
your friend na bekam kata free wa Japa
wa fa beka yenko
ya dama se Japa mo ya ma Ghana man na me pacho doctor so so kire moja no se wuye say na aduane nso a doctor nso check mu nyina no yeke say aduane bi wo ho a ani kwan se wudi
me pacho mebisa doctor ma na che so hwe se blood group no wo msunsanso bi ana doctor be ya no ama hello
manye
nyawule nche
o ti alo yin
nchawule o yemo
njo de manye
mi mo manye bla wo fe ke wa hie
won mi first United States of Kisama na ye ka se mema ni ma no beba fo on se wa no ayedi wa no ayedi se mema na imade mu de enkopom bisa dog se mu de enkopom
ntina dog se yare na ye ma ni mema nyina enye mema yare
ntini die se ejina so papa but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na o ka se obisun na so wo de sometimes e bisuya but on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na o ka se obisun na so wo de sometimes e bisuya but on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on se na like o wa won but mpese me bisa doctor se won on if you have boom. What I say, or ye exercise wo, but won't say na come on, boom, 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 or you be a like a boom. I don't know. They say doctor all explaining how mommy ye. Oh no.
Okay, Matthias here. Matthias here, doc, be explain yama. Hello. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Good morning. Udini baby Afrifini enko.
Kofi am present Afrifini Legon campus.
Kofi entio.
I say if you also not like if you are all the years exercise and ever say we are to be can now year Jumadia and also it's in man cost romana.
Okay, Mate. That's it. Doc Binyano. Hello. Hello. Yanko.
Na umini di eno woni timia ma makoma no bo kin na eno so ya di okay fa ho
na wako check it
men check it
okay doc
we am shimia
okay doc Binyano. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho udini baby a Afrifini enko.
Pacho Louis ni abuso kama siamba bi.
Louis yenti.
Me pese mi bisa doctor Jeke Kase. Ti se anopa ya ikura no makuma no etimi bombe even 5 minutes ne edina so. Minim se nipa den ka work. Uyam siwa nanka atwam show ba we etimi just be 5 minutes. Ena ai no ka enche me enche na kasa de me mpe ubet. And like bibit se ka ko se mepe o ja se ntina mbese mbisa se ebia media wo tension se tension na
okay Matthias
wo oka ntete na me so uze obi kan ebia me nim se me blood group no dia I don't know esa ade an ntete wo ho bia no media na me minimum keka me
okay Matthias here my doctor Eyano yeah for last 2 calls now back to studio. Hello 0302216545. Yeah, for last call. Hello. Say hello. Okay, ma na me doctor entry doc. My yen starting fee blood group. One say now kasi yendi enema fiber dose room. One say ebimo blood group. Any sa enuane no ewo nsunsanso bi mama matesa argument no but unfortunately I did not subscribe to that. Okay. There are no hard and fast rules say mendi way that literature no me hu you say for indi ebreduane mama me amiti here me O positive and so be pe ebreduane pa enyam nsunsanso bi a what I say is nipa bia no just get to know what works for you. Okay. Say nyamawa stay away. Say yamawa consume it. But men could be so bodu mamina. Hello.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, Obapa. Your friend say yenko.
Pacho me dora me kasa protest.
Yenko.
Pacho me taking this na mostly no 118 over 80. But recently, last week, after my menses, my second, then I'm 150 over 80. It's in the same percent, doctor said. Ebia, enya effect or embarrassed, and I said, the manual movement here, or mobility cost runner.
Medase, yam fa call be a beam. Doc. Yen it was sooner afe yenko
me say sir literature ka say we be at the way we over the way but the mechanic say DD yema the yema so no main D and I'm my example I've cited that literature that says say omo no momundi ebro eduane but me am dem ho example say me pe Tom Brown me pe a friend is saying just Coco me pe Saneman me di nina enso nyame hwe on me intino ni pe bi ade a udi a o react to no mendi na do di e ma no koso ani di
na yenhwe obi a oso oye exercise but na koma ni timi popa eno no eye science a e wo so o check say bia
normally no ni pe bia exercise because activity enti wakoma ne bobo me say Kofi Capital enemy ya adwuma nti wakoma ne bobo but however say unye activity bia na wakoma no bo gidigidi ana why exercise nkwa wi no na wakoma no da so ebo gidigidi a you need to go get yourself checked.
Okay.
Sani pan say okay so no me nim ni weight me hu no it will be difficult to meet me can say a way and a way but advice me man say oso a opo no check the BP first of all onko check the kidneys onko dey the lipid profile onko check the cholesterol and so
na doc papa bi o kan say ono no ankoma no obi o nche da nya hwe but it me bo continuous period be 5 minutes continuous.
Your friend be panic attacks and sometimes no name be other factors be na kofaba and this any panel also make us onco hospital sometimes na ebia be out of is born out of anxiety
no be so sini yam shino
and if happen to born out of BBF and anxiety disorder nti ebia adeso bi dane so ana hu bi hyenimu se bia bibi besi ene sa na man na say na make an pressure will chrome enti ebia na school fees bi deadline bi so meet te say nyema pit mi de kofa sa na man ba enti sa nipa no advice am man say onya botre say o dwen no that's not erase the problem no however na be compound the problem no a problem no wo ho so de ka bia e Canada so wo ho o dwen ho na ama o yem hye no engotu ka no
na doc enei obi wo ho se mi ninchini enso kako yemba bia ye fi momone yentimi nyadie bonde e wo se de nchini hye ne saa eno nso wo nsunsu
na woni nzi no nema na wodi no no entini wum
eno se ko bi
enti ko ni kampe ka sa nkofo enfantu nsum na nsini no mesenko ba wonim ye kan chire na nye salt aye nyani mu and even spices me pese mo brand bi e me ka cubes no and nema dey fried rice brown for instance sauce ni na e dey sunsanso bone ba so ho enti no se nkofo enya hweye na omo and cut it down on all of those things and then we aduane we dey nchinya gum what's are the cubes a gum ni nya no we dey a lot of pressure air to akoma no
na ne krakra e ma ye chima period no actually no etimi e ma ye pressure cost
no there's no literature that says so and say ma bebre oba do obi because obi bu ni nsa
okay Kofi Capital o se ne how
maybe say me pressure age related ana
doctor Dikanka
the other research say obetimi the medication a control
doctor
and the question is like there will be every medicine has a side effect
makan so
and you know and comfort kana omo pemagro. Is it because of the medication and also at a certain stage of a man's life it's supposed to happen?
Me say one thing condition hypertension and ankasa no a cause erectile dysfunction sexual weakness and some of the medications side effects and so your way ain't no usually no say a do something I make say ahwe we exercise we did ye we fair do to control. In fact, sure you exercise no sure aduane die ya and no I need self can regulate to BP no
na doc ma ho odin aba form me compare to say Viagra bi na me de Kenyan me wo BP me no BP bro eno no me enu no me den na ma
for mo be enti de Kofi Capital kan no yes I have bu say wo BP na ko fa Viagra
and ye wo kun ho doc what dey so next week no they see a better so you better heart attack is cardiac arrest mo enyem no na call doctor school no tie ya there be ma mean bisa enti doc be sra fa foto tia wa ma metie for na fa number to dwa e bia na obi epe wa chi akwan because of problem
the make tie for ni say ye ka ho asem silent killer kunkofo p na make say the major cause of death adults penifo ni nyanso ya hweye hwewaduane die mu yi tenkyere no so men no monsa me bunu munja ansa no munja smoky na mo exercise men no monsa na onda undidi na onda obi exercise ko onye bi da me pa exercise na so ko gym nkwa obetimi askepe obetimi atwunika anante brisk walking anajo kodu fia fa area nante ba konfo area menko na no pa na wako nyesa anko akonfo beta ke but where you how you see for nante
doc na number 2
obetimi afre 0244 460 449 0244 460 449 obi ofe efutu bia no betimi afre
Enti Dr. Philemon Mensah, our medical director of Philton Medical Center, and ne wajibre abecheche. But next week, Doc Besamba, Dr. Ba, ye beshe cardiac arrest, and ye say heart attack, a kumum ranti, a kumum mesriwa, a kumum penyinfo, a kumum crofo. Until next week, Dr. Philemon Besamba, Nayatwa, and Como, Trichini, so betty friend was 02 44460 na me de nase kese ma me producers ye isa ene pa kwesi Queensta ene ye social media no emaye ochina eye divorce court me tena se jaja chese ye twitwa ware ni musa ebi so ye se ko na doctor declare sa ware na enye yie biom enti ochina ya setena dwumedie ba beto aso me didi amamre hima adwo nhra me pato nchima fidie no esanse kasiebo donkomi edi eche na naje obrempon me chese o kabrofo akese o de kasiebo no donkomi no